Prophet Idris. Prophet Idris, biblical name Enoch, was the third prophet in Islam after Adam and Sheeth. Idris was a well-built man with a strong, broad chest and spoke with a low voice. It is also said he was tall and handsome and always spoke with a calm demeanor. Prophet Idris was very intellectually curious. He would ponder the vastness of the universe that his creator made, from the sky, the earth, the moon, the stars, and the cloud. Prophet Idris was born during the lifetime of Prophet Adam. He was from amongst the followers of Sheeth, Seth, and ruled the progeny of Adam following the death of Sheeth. He was truthful, patient, and an extraordinary individual. It is reported in Hadith by Abu Dar that Idris was the first man to introduce the art of reading and writing to mankind. Idris was a sincere servant of Allah, hence Allah chose him as a prophet and messenger and elected him as the ruler over the children of Adam. What began after death of Sheeth is the people of Cain lost guidance and sin and corruption began increasing rapidly and spreading. Idris could not bear to watch his own people falling prey to the influence of Shaitan. So Allah instructed Prophet Idris to call for jihad, holy war, against the corrupt followers of Cain. Idris was the first prophet and messenger in the history of Islam to perform jihad against corruption. And as commanded by Allah, Idris gathered an army of men and battled in the name of Allah against the transgressors and emerged victorious. One day, Prophet Idris was informed by Allah that he would receive the rewards of all the good deeds performed by man each day till his last breath. Prophet Idris was overjoyed with the news and thanked Allah immensely for all his blessings. But Idris was quite old and was not quite ready to depart earth as enjoyed spreading good. So he decided to speak to the angel of death and plead him to delay his death. The angel agreed to Idris's plea and decided to meet with the angel of death together with Idris. The angel flew to the fourth heaven with Prophet Idris on his wings and met with the angel of death. Idris's dear companion said to the angel of death, "Prophet Idris wants to know if you could prolong his life." The angel of death was stunned. He replied, "And where is Idris?" "He is upon my back," answered the angel. The angel of death replied, "How astonishing! I was sent and told to seize Idris's soul in the fourth heaven. I kept thinking how I could seize it in the fourth heaven when he was on earth. Subhanallah, glory be to God, he made it happen." And as the Lord instructed the angel of death, the soul of Idris was taken in the fourth heaven. Following the death of Prophet Idris, corruption began to increase rapidly again. Several generations later, with no prophetic guidance, Satan finally managed to influence the children of Adam to commit their first act of shirk, polytheism. If you find this interesting, please kindly subscribe to support this page.